Good morning, students. Now we will do mathematics of HS2NDYR science. Now, students, we are doing integration. I think you have done all these things, practice all these things. I am doing every sum of your exercise, so I expect you practice and give revision. Now we will do in this exercise, that is our exercise. Now 7.3 is going on, and we are doing. Now we have completed up to question number 11. Now we will do question number 12. So question number 12 is like that: 7 minus 6x minus x square. Now students, if we want to do this type of sum, then you notice carefully. Integration dx divided by root over 7 minus 6x minus x square. Here we will use one formula, that is dx divided by root over s square minus x square is here 1 by a sine inverse x by a. Now, what is the similarity of this one? You see, this is different, this different, but we will make it in the form and we will implement that formula. Now, in this case, we have knowledge of class 10, that is completing square. To make a square, what we have to do? Here, if you take minus sign, better I will do here 7 minus 6x minus x square. If we take minus common, x square plus 6x. Then if we add 9, then we have to deduct 9. See, 7 minus taken common, so it will be plus x square, minus 6x, it will convert in plus 6x, and overall I have added 9. So of course you have to deduct 9 also. 9 is not there. Then this will be x minus, if I try to write in twice AB form, then is it like that? Next step, you see what I have done. Here x square plus 6x plus 9. I have changed this 9 by 3 square. This 6x as 2 into x into 3. So definitely, when you withdraw this bracket, minus will become plus. 7 plus 9 will give 16. This is a plus b whole thing square formula. So I have written. So shall I write instead of this 4 square minus x plus 3 whole thing square? See. So what is that? That we have converted in that form. This is similarity with that. Instead of a 4 square, instead of x, x plus 3. So of course it will be of that formula 1 by 4 sine inverse x plus 3 by 4 plus 3. I want to remind you, if x is replaced by x plus or x minus some constant, values will remain same. I again want to repeat, this is integration of this one. এটার মধ্যে কি করলাম, এটাকে একটু রিপ্লেস করে দিলাম। 7 মাইনাস কমন নিলাম, x স্কয়ার প্লাস 6x লিখলাম, প্লাস 9 দিলাম, মাইনাস 9 লিখলাম। 7 এই পোরশনটাকে এইভাবে লেখা যায়, x স্কয়ার 6 কে 2 into 3x, 9 কে 3 স্কয়ার, এই ব্র্যাকেটটা তুলে দিই তো মাইনাস মাইনাস প্লাস হবে। সো প্লাস 9 and 7 16 হয়, এই জায়গাটা হবে x plus 3 whole thing square. তো ছিল এটা, হয়ে গেল এটা। তো এটা লিখতে পারবো এখানে 16 এর জায়গায় শুধু 4 স্কয়ার লিখলাম। দেখো এখন দুটো সিমিলারিটি আসছে, এর জায়গায় 4, x এর জায়গায় x plus 3। ইন্টিগ্রেশনটার ভ্যালু একই রকম হবে যদি x কে x plus something বা x minus something দিয়ে লিখি, তাহলেও সেম থাকবে। সো আমি লিখে দিলাম এখানে 1 by 4 because 1 by a sine inverse x by 4, that is this by 4. So this is our question number 12. Now we are going to do question number, next question, that is our question number 13. In this question number 13, it is dx divided by root over x minus 1 x minus 2. Now see, we have others formula also. Another formula I want to write here, it is, if our formula is integration dx divided by that x square minus s square. If it is, then its formula will be log modulus x plus root over x square minus s square plus c. Now I have written c. What we can do for that one? Dx divided by root over, if we break, we know class 8 procedure, x into x minus 2 minus 1 into this. So at a time I will write this product will, after multiplication, this one. So see that actually x square minus 3x plus 2. Now using that rule, completion of square, x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 square plus 2 minus 3 by 2 whole thing square. So shall I write x square thrice x 2 into x into 3 by 2, 2 cancel, again we can get that is thrice x, we can change, modify in the form this one. Then I have installed this one, it is what? 3 by 2 whole thing square. Why? S square minus twice b plus b square. To make complete of this one I have written. So as I have added this extra thing, we have to deduct also. Yes, I have deducted 3 by 2 whole thing square. So then it will be dx divided by x minus 3 by 2 whole thing square minus, this is what? 2 minus 9 by 4. After simplification, 8 minus 9, that is minus 1 by 4. So instead of this, I can write this is minus half square. Then this is that. Now see, this is the formula. So what we can write? That log modulus x minus 3 by 2 plus root over, to tell these things, that is that thing, that is that. X square minus 36 plus 2 plus c. So this is the answer. বলছি এবার এই দেওয়া এই ফর্মুলাটাকে ইউটিলাইজ করব। dx root over x square minus s square হলো এটা। তো এটাকে ভেঙে দিই, ভেঙে দেওয়ার পর x square minus 3x plus 2 লেখা যাবে। এটাকে x square 3x কে 2 into x into 3 by 2 লিখলাম। তারপর কি হবে? 3 by 2 whole thing square লিখে এইবার এটা মাইনাস করে দিলাম, 2 minus 3 by 2 whole thing square লিখে দিলাম। তো এটা লেখা যাবে x minus 3 by 2 whole thing square। এই দুটা ক্যালকুলেশন করার পর minus 1 by 4 আসবে। তো মাইনাস হাফ স্কোয়ার লিখলাম। দেখো এখন এটা x স্কোয়ারের জায়গায়, হাফ এর জায়গায়। সো আমি তো এটা লিখতে পারি x minus 3 by 2 instead of x minus 3 by 2 প্লাস রুট ওভার x স্কোয়ার মাইনাস s স্কোয়ার, মানে এই জিনিসটা হবে, এটা মানে এটা, এটা মানে তো এটা, লিখে দিলাম। সো দিস ইজ আওয়ার আনসার অফ কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 13. So we have to mindfully watch what we are doing and what we are getting. So little we have to give our effort in this one, thinking also that how can we do. Now we will go for question number 14. So question number 14 is what? This is integration dx divided by root over 8 plus thrice x minus x square. 8 plus thrice x minus x square. So what we can do for that one also? Here we will use this one because minus there. This will give them idea of this that we will use. Again with the similar procedure dx. So I want to do rough of this one here. 8 minus, if we take common, x square minus thrice x. I can write instead of that this one 8. Then you see x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 whole thing square minus 3 by 2 whole thing square. 8. This can be written as x minus 3 by 2 whole thing square minus minus plus 9 by 4. If we add 8 plus 9 by 4, then it will be 8 4 jar 32. 32 plus 9 is 41 by 4. That is root 41 by 2 whole thing square minus x minus 32 3 by 2 whole thing square. So I again want to say this is, we can write this one, that I have again deducted for our convenient. Then you see this thing will give x minus 3 by 2 whole thing square minus minus plus, this is 9 by 4. So 32 plus 9 is 41. I have make a whole thing square. So we got this one as this new form minus x minus 3 by 2 whole thing square. See, wait. Actually this is and that are the same. I have only modified that thing and I have written this one. Then it is looking like what? S square over root 41 by 2 whole thing square. X square, x minus 3 by 2 whole thing square. So it is 1 by a, that is 1 by root 41 by 2 sine inverse x by a, x minus 3 by 2 by root 41 by 2. Little simplification if we do, then it is 2 by root 41 sine inverse. If I simplify, then it is twice x minus 3, 2 will cancel it, it is root 41. Students, see this is the answer. তো এখানে কি করেছি, এটা দেওয়া, এই ফর্মুলাটা লাগাবো। তো কি করলাম, এই জিনিসটাকে একটু মডিফাই করে নিলাম। x স্কয়ার এখানে নিলাম, মাইনাস নিয়ে নিয়েছি, সো এখানে মাইনাস হবে। এইটাকে x স্কয়ার মাইনাস 2 ইন্টু এক্স ইন্টু 3 বাই 2, 3 বাই 2 হোল থিং স্কয়ার লিখলাম, আবার নেগেটিভ করে দিয়ে দিলাম। 8 এটাকে হোল থিং স্কয়ার করে লেখা যায়, এটা 9 বাই 4 হবে, প্লাস 9 বাই 4, দুইটা মিলে হবে 41 বাই 2 4। তো 41 বাই 4 কে আমি রুট 41 বাই 2 হোল থিং স্কয়ার লিখতে পারি। এটা কি হবে, x মাইনাস 3 বাই 2 হোল থিং স্কয়ার লিখে দিলাম। তো এই জিনিসটাকে আমি বদলে এটা লিখলাম। এবার এটা এটার সাথে সিমিলারিটি আছে, এর জায়গায় এটা, x এর জায়গায় এটা, তো ডেফিনেটলি 1 বাই a মানে 1 বাই রুট ওভার 41 বাই 2 হবে x সাইন ইনভার্স x বাই a, x মাইনাস 3 বাই 2 বাই a, দ্যাট ইজ 41 রুট 41 বাই 2। একটু সিম্পলিফিকেশন করলাম, 2 উপরে চলে যাবে, এটা হবে টুয়াইস x মাইনাস 3 ডিভাইডেড বাই রুট ওভার 41। এই হলো আমাদের কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 14। এবার 15টা করে নেব। Now question number 15 is what? That is 15 integration dx divided by root over x minus a into x minus b. So this is the question of our this one. So here we will use one formula that is looking like this one, that this is, if it is, suppose this we will use, how we can use, first modification, transformation of this one, integration dx divided by, now if I break this one as per knowledge of class 8, it will be x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. See, I have broken x into x, x square, x into minus b, minus a into x, this gives this term, then minus a minus b, that is plus ab. So this is actually after multiplication we are getting this one. Now some modification, x square minus a plus bx ab can be written as x square minus 2 x into a plus b by 2 plus a plus b by 2 whole thing square minus a plus b by 2 whole thing square plus ab. So as usual, this converted into that thing, because 2 cancel, this is same. So this we have modified in that form. Then I have installed that one, and same time I have deducted that term again. This is what? This is our a minus b whole thing square formula, that is x minus a plus b by 2 whole thing square. If I do the simplification of these things, then you see that it is minus a plus b whole thing square by 4, and this will give minus 4ab. So this can be written as a minus b whole thing square by 4. So I can modify these things in the form dx x minus a plus b by 2 whole thing square minus a minus b by 2 whole thing square. So this I have modified into, now it is looking like that one, x square minus a. So of course we will write log modulus, instead of x this term, x minus a plus b by 2 plus root over x square minus this term, that is this term, that is that term, x minus a into x minus b plus c. So we have taken this one. I want to again repeat this one, that this dx by root over x minus a into x minus b, I have, এটা আমরা এটা লিখে নিয়েছি। এরপর এই জিনিসটাকে আমি এইভাবে মডিফাই করলাম, x স্কয়ার মাইনাস a প্লাস b ইন্টু x প্লাস ab, এটাকে হোল থিং স্কয়ার, এটাকে টুয়াইস ab ফর্মে গেল, তারপর a প্লাস b বাই 2 হোল থিং স্কয়ারে এসছে। তারপর এইটা আমি এটা লিখতে পারি, আর এই ক্যালকুলেশনটা আমার a মাইনাস b হোল থিং স্কয়ার বাই 4 লিখলাম। তো a মাইনাস b বাই 2 হোল থিং স্কয়ার লেখা যায়, আর একটা পোরশন এটা লিখলাম। তো এখন কি হবে, এই ফর্মে এলো লগ মডুলাস x মানে এটা, x স্কয়ার মাইনাস স্কয়ার এটা মানে এটা মানে এটা লিখলাম। তো এই হলো আমাদের आंसर। সো দিস ইজ আওয়ার কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 15। সো হিয়ার লিটল ইউ হ্যাভ টু ইউজ what we have done, this is given, that we have broken, then modified in completing square form, we can write this one in this. It is similarity with this formula, so of course we have used that formula and we got our answer. Now students, see, this is the thing, and you little bit concentrate. Integration is most important part of the calculus, as well as in your books it is 44 marks total calculus. So minutely you have to observe, minutely you have to write. You leave no stone unturned for this one. And again, one thing, you are not responding nicely, you respond it, you say your problem what it is, again and again I am telling. Next, you don't forget to give your attendance. So most of you are not giving the attendance, it is very bad. You give the attendance should be more than 80%. That much for today.